Hello dear kids, once again I'm here in front of you with our new video, and our today's video is based on the grave matter of concern for the people on the earth, and that grave matter is the pollution. As you know that this is the serious problem nowadays. So today we are going to discuss about pollution through a poem which has been written by a budding poet named Sanchit Saluja. So in his poem, he expresses his feelings, his thoughts, whatever the thoughts come to his minds, he expresses all that feeling through through beautiful and simple rhymes, he expresses all his thoughts. So our today's poem is pollution. So before we start the topic pollution, before we start the poem pollution, I must ask you that, do you know that what is pollution? Pollution is something that contaminates our environment. So what contaminate our environment? Our environment is contaminated by the industrial smoke, the smoke which is produced by factories with the burning of plastic, burning of wood. All these things, they are contaminating our environment. And the garbage produced by the factories, garbage produced by the homes and the other places, they also contaminate our environment. Moreover, the use of insecticides, pesticides, they also contaminates our environment. Cutting of trees, they also lead to the contamination of environment. So all these things, they are contaminating the environment and leading to the pollution, and in turn of that, the pollution is becoming a serious problem for the people on the earth. So before I start the topic, I want to ask you one thing. Can you tell me what are the harmful effects of pollution? You know children, the pollution is leading to very serious problem, and that is global warming. It is just warming the environment of the earth. So it leads to global warming. It leads to change in the climate. Due to pollution, climate is also changing. Due to pollution, we are getting suffering. The human being is suffering from various respiratory diseases, various skin diseases, just because of the pollution. Due to pollution, ozone layer is also depleting. You know the ozone layer? The ozone layer, this is the layer which is in the atmosphere, which protects the earth from the harmful rays of the sun, harmful UV rays, ultraviolet rays of the sun. So due to pollution, this ozone layer is also getting depleting. So which is a major issue for the people of the earth. Another, it is leading to the various breathing diseases. People are unable to breathe properly. Air is getting impure, that we are not able to breathe in a proper way, and in turn of that, these things are leading to various diseases also, lungs diseases, skin diseases. So various problems are there due to the pollution. These are some of the harmful effects of the pollution. So kids, as we have discussed few harmful effects of the pollution, so the poem which we are going to discuss today, which we are going to recite today, which has been written by the budding poet Sanchit Saluja, in his poem, he want to put emphasis on the increasing harmful effects of the pollution, and he also want to put emphasis on the necessity of being aware of the pollution. Everybody should need to get aware of harmful effects of the pollution. So that's what he want to express in his poem. So let's read out the poem. I would explain the poem side by to you. So kids, let's recite the poem. Earthlings, wake up and take charge. I speak not to one alone, but to the world at large. The scorching heat of the sun is rather difficult to bear. It's all because of the pollution that dear ozone layer has a tear. Poisonous gases are emitted, and here you cut the trees. If you don't stop this, we shall not breathe with ease. So stop this destruction and start the repair. Let's make the earth green and not desolate and bare. So let's see what the poet Sanchit Saluja want to tell you through this poem. So firstly, in first stanza, the poet want to tell that earthlings, wake up and take charge. I speak not to one alone, but to the world at large. So here, in the first stanza, the poet want to wake up earthlings. So earthlings mean the people who are living on the earth, all the people. So the poet want to aware the people on the earth that we need to wake up. We need to wake up and we need to take the charge. We need to take the responsibility. We need to understand our responsibility towards our Mother Earth. So the poet is not speaking to one alone. It means he is not saying this thing to a single person. He is telling this thing, he is awareing to the whole world. He is awareing the whole world. He is awareing all the people of the world that it's a time to wake up. It's a time to take the responsibility to take care of our Mother Earth. So let's move to the next stanza. The scorching heat of the sun, it's rather difficult to bear. It's all because of pollution that dear ozone layer has a tear. So the scorching heat of the sun. Scorching means the burning heat. You know that sunlight is too hot, right? So the scorching heat of the sun would become very difficult if we will not stop the pollution. Because as the pollution is increasing, it is depleting our ozone layer. As I told you before that, if the ozone layer would deplete, the harmful rays of the sun, the UV rays of ultraviolet rays of the sun would directly penetrate to the earth atmosphere, and it would give too much heat that it would lead to skin diseases. We won't be able to bear that heat of the sun. So the scorching heat of the sun would become difficult to bear. Bear means to tolerate. We won't be able to tolerate the heat of the sun. So it's all because of the pollution. So due to pollution, just because of the pollution, our ozone layer is depleting and we won't be able to bear the heat of the sun. Next, poisonous gases are emitted, and here you cut the trees. If you don't stop this, we shall not breathe with ease. So as I told you that various industries, various factories, they are emitting lot of smoke. The vehicles are emitting lot of smoke. You know, per day so many vehicles are moving around. They are emitting smoke, and the industries, they are also emitting poisonous smoke. Poisonous gases are emitted by the factories and the vehicles. So they are just polluting our air. Air is getting polluted and we are not able to breathe a fresh air just because of these poisonous gases which are being emitted by the factories or the industries or the vehicles. So as the poet is saying that poisonous gases are emitted, and here you cut the trees. As we know that people are cutting trees day by day to establish industries. They are cutting trees to establish for making their home. They are cutting the trees and they are covering the whole land. So in turn of that, deforestation is also occurring. So if we'll cut the trees, we won't be able to breathe easily. As you know that the trees are the source of the oxygen. They are giving us oxygen. They are source of the fresh air. So if we will cut the trees, we won't be able to breathe with ease. Here with ease means we won't be able to breathe easily. So emitted means produce. The poisonous gases which are produced by the industries or the factories or the vehicles, they all are producing poisonous gases. And also the cutting of trees, it is also leading to the pollution, and because of the cutting of the trees, we won't be able to breathe easily, right? Next, so stop this destruction and start the repair. Let's make the earth green and not desolate and bare. So here the poet want to say that we need to stop this destruction. We need to stop the destruction of Mother Earth. So we need to stop all these things, and now it's a time we need to just get ready to repair our Mother Earth. So here repair means we need to stop the pollution, we need to plant more and more trees, we need to stop these industries. We won't be able to stop this industry, but we can take some measures to stop emission of these gases, right? So it's a time to start the repair of earth, to save our earth. Here repair means it's a time to need to save the earth. Let's make the earth green. So it's a time to make our earth green. So how we can make our earth green? It means we need to plant more and more trees. As you know that cutting of trees is going on day by day. So we need to plant more and more trees nowadays, and not desolate and bare. So it's a time to make our earth green, not to make our earth desolate and bare. Here desolate means to make the earth barren. So we don't want to barren our earth. Barren means where nothing grows. So we don't want to make our earth barren. We don't want to empty our earth. We don't want to empty our Mother Earth. We don't want to make it bare. We don't want to make it without trees. We want the earth which is green. We want a green earth. So if we want to survive on the earth, if we want to live on the earth, we need to make it green. We need to plant more and more trees. We need to stop the pollution, right? So let's everybody just take an oath. We should stop the pollution. We will stop the pollution. We will not pollute our Mother Earth, and we will plant more and more trees every day. So that's all in the poem which Sanchit Saluja has expressed. These are the thoughts of Sanchit Saluja, but I think these are not the thoughts of only Sanchit Saluja. Even we people are also thinking like that. So he has expressed his thought in a poem. So I hope you all like this topic. So thank you.